Square cuts start with the right tools. These tools are designed to guide your saw blades for a quick, clean square cut on your sanitary tube. These saw blocks come in kits that range from 1 inch to 4, and they are available for both tube or pipe sizes and can be sold individually. This features a thumb screw similar to older designs of a wing nut. Simply unscrew, open up, place on your tubing. You can then make sure it's in the right location, tighten up, and you're now ready to cut your tube perfectly square. Once the cut is complete, release the thumb screw, and we have a clean square cut ready for facing. These vices come in sanitary tube sizes. In the kit, together with the hardened case, it ranges from 1 inch through to 4 inch. We also have available other saw vise styles that can be used for pipe and tube. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Reach out to us, our website, www.morganitech.com. Thank you for joining us today.